let's do an unboxing of this B6.1. Hoo-wee. Box is sort of wonky. All the neat little pictures. So cute. Man, I've been waiting for this thing for a long time. Let's see here. Chassis. Oh, man, that's the last. Shocks. What's with the little shock oil bottle? Looks like both sets with a dinky shock oil bottle. That's kind of crazy. It's on my 64 I just built a couple days ago. Had a full bottle, but one of these was cracked on my 64. These look better. Body. I'm not a fan of this body. Might get the J Concepts. This wing is nicer. It's thicker, tougher, like my Raw Speed wings. The one that I got in the 64 was a lot flimsier than that one. I like the other body J Concepts does. This is alright though. I hate that fin, man. It just looks silly to me. Makes no sense. Transmission cover. Rear shock tower cover. Gearbox. Arms. Front hoods. What the hell? Look at how, I guess that's the way it's gotta be. Ball diff? Might get a gear diff. See how well I do this ball diff thing. What the hell? Chassis and stiffeners, Velcro. Kind of neat they gave me Velcro. That's cool. Oops, sorry. Front shock tower. Stickers, battery, strap, Velcro. What the hell was in here then? Two-sided tape? What the heck is that? Oh, pad. It's a foam. I don't know. I have to look it up. Bearings. And the manual. Ooh, nifty. That's it. Cool beans. Keep the box, save it for later. Yeah, boy. That's for the wife to get angry about seeing all around her bedroom. But that's it, boys. Stay tuned. I got build videos of the 64, which was terrible. Big story. I got a story for you on that one. And build video on this. I'm gonna do this. It's gonna be a time-lapse thing though. I take forever to build these things. That body's okay, but just this. Oh, why? Anyways, stay tuned. More stuff coming. Thanks.